You speak confidentially. You speak House of Modern English.
This boy is liberal misery. Liberal misery. Assalamu alaikum to all of you guys. Beginning and inception with the almightiest name of Allah, who is Rahman Rahim, who is creator and sustainer of this world. Then I love to pay thanks to my parents, my teacher, and all of you to pay me your precious time. And now I love to come towards my golden topic, that is like that, liberal misery. Guys, the two words, two caps which are given in my topic, liberal and misery. The liberal word means that you are free, freedom of anything, any place, of any man, anyone. And misery, that you are being slave of someone. You cannot act according to your desire. You cannot do the word which you want. But here the word, the caption which is given in my hand, it is totally showing that liberal misery. At one side, it is saying that you are free, but at another side, it is saying that no, you are not free. At another one side, it is saying that you are having freedom. You can do what you want, what is your desire. But at another side, it is saying no, you cannot. You are not allowed. So guys, these words, if I define in this land, in the land of Pakistan, the land where Shaheens live, it was said by Allama Iqbal. Guys, this topic is suitable for this land. Guys, today, if I would see in 1947, that before 1947, the dream which was saw by Allama Iqbal, it became true by Quaid-e-Azam in 1947. But if I look over it, after 1947, then there was a time to prove ourselves. There was a time to show the real thing in the world. But what are we doing, guys? Today we call and we take the flag of Pakistan and we call ourselves, today we are free, we are having freedom. But I must say, today we are in the misery. The misery is over us by the America. The misery is over us by those old countries, by the NATO forces. Today we cannot do anything. Today we are sink in the loans. Today we cannot do any action in the world. Whenever we try to go to do anything, the America start doing. The America start giving us orders. Is that if I say that before just Rahil Sharif, we had many attacks over Waziristan. We called ourselves as a freedom country. We called ourselves that yes, we are liberal. But brother, that is a liberal misery. Today we are having this slogan that we are liberal, but there is misery. We need to understand. We are just hiding this thing, and but just cause of hiding this thing, today we are going behind. The real mirror, the real image of Pakistan is not shown to you. Guys, just open your eyes, see this thing, that here we are in the misery of many countries. We are in the misery of those all brutal people. Today, that's why we are behind at the list of development. Guys, show and see these things, that you can get development in the world, man.
Question side, come on.
Mr. Loudest.
Mr. Zainshek, be thankful what you are now and keep fighting for what you want to be tomorrow. You know, once a great footballer, Zidane, said, I once cried. I had no shoes to play football with my friends. And one day, I saw a man who had no feet. Then I realized how rich I am and adopt this thinking. Here, our country is not like a misery. We are freedom, and we should thankful that we are not like a Syria. We are not like a Kashmir. We are not like a Libya. We are not like any country which they are, corrupted, which they are destroying by the America. But we having, own authority. We having own skills. We can move anywhere. You can be the greatest, and you can be the master, and you can move the mountain by the, by your skills, by your mind. But here, you are also disgracing on our people and also demotivating your own self. I agree that your code is so beautiful, but your word is not beautiful. Your words is showing, a brutality. Your words is not giving the passion. So create the passion. By the passion, you can lead the world. By the passion, you can defeat the world. But here, you are surrendering yourself, so there is no reason to continue with you, brother. Clap for the
which passion are you talking about? You are talking about that today we can move anywhere here in the world. But brother, when we move in anywhere in the world, so the world calls us terrorists. This is liberty. This is what we call a freedom country. Today, my friend, among you, in your team, even Mr. Sadiq bin Soumya, so they said that Pakistanis are terrorists, Pakistanis are wrong. So brother, a live example is with you. Today, you are shouting that we are better than Syria, we are better than Burma. Mr. Javed Bhai, get this thing. Bangladesh got freedom from us, but today they are touching the sky. China got freedom from after us, but today they made a name and fame in all over the world. Before in hockey, what we used to do? To Macau, we gave 64 goals, but today, right now, to Korea, we taught them hockey, but right now, Korea is giving 88 goals to your country, to this land, to whom you are saying. Today, I am one shouting for right, telling you right, but you are one hiding this reality. Brother, it is a way. The way which you have occupied, it is a way from which we are going behind. Brother, go for real thing.
लाल कोट के लिए
I don't know what happened with your team. Psychological pressure. That crowd came for them. But I think that while listening to your presentation, they became bitter. That the main will go and then I will listen. The way you were saying about the United Nations, the way you said, NATO, first of all, I will say you that Pakistan is also a part of United Nations. And on the other hand, the way you are saying that world is saying that Pakistan is bad. Then what about Messi? The man was playing the game, but people throw garbage over him. If you say that, yeah, I should listen to the world. So what about Malala today? They destroyed our country and went to America. But what boy is saying, yeah, that girl is bad. But when I talk about those good people, when they do the good work, and people are casting at him. So Mr. Zain, do not listen to the world. As you are saying that, yeah, before that leader of our army, that there was no crime. So just tell me that if I will compare that leader with the Yukon, so that was the man, broke the dictatorship, then why that man is not doing it? So that is the final solution. Hitler broke the dictatorship, then why he is not doing it?
Great man. If you keep rereading the last one chapter, so you cannot go for next one. Same as today, you are just taking the name of Ayub Khan. I really appreciate to that man, and I really salute to that man. But what about yourself? What about your action? What about your effort for this land? Today, you are one shouting and saying that really UN, we are the part of them. But brother, I must say that what is the benefit to being a part of them? We must have a good piece of good thing. We must have a great thing have they given to our country. No brother, today you are when your captain gave the example of Zidane. You gave the example of Messi. So brother, one thing you must notify in both of questions that they realize when Zidane realized that he is the richest, so he realized. So today I am standing here to make them realize that guys, you are not having these things, and if today you will realize, so tomorrow you will work like Zidane and like Lionel Messi. Man.
एक साथ मारना है. Last question to be go for. Come on, guys. Last question, sir.
Mr. Zain, as you were saying that, don't read the last one. You will not go in the next chapter. Then why you are recalling the history of Pakistan? Then why you are reading the history of our, our country? You are defaming our country. You have no any kind of authentic reason to, go up. But you have many, a criticism to criticize over our Pakistan. If you are talking about that, As-Sadiq, what saying to you, the Pakistani are terrorists in all over the world. Then I ask from you that don't tell us what was said about our country. Tell us why they were so comfortable to tell you. Same. If here the people are so comfortable to tell you our country is defamed, so you have no answer to give them. You have no answer that we have a great army, we have a great players, we have a great youth, we can fight each and every country, we can defeat each and every country, then your passion would be built up and our country will be built up. But here you are surrendering yourself and criticizing our Pakistan. Here are many heroes out there and you are giving them bullets and you are killing them. So here we should consider as a bloodshed. We should consider as not like a Pakistani. You are a real Pakistan. You should here would be like same. So you should shut up your mouth and sit at home.
ABD!
See, Mr. A.B. de Villiers, a small example. I have given my paper and I got unfortunately failed. Now, people, they came towards me, they said me, Mr. Zain, you are failed, or any other. Means I'm saying to someone that, brother, you are failed. Now what? You want that man or you want me? That who has got failed, that who fight? No, I gave proper paper and there was rigging, that's why I got failed. No, brother, you would be quiet because today you have got failed, you have this mark sheet. So same if Mr. Sadiq or any else would be quiet. So brother, today your country people, they have done this sort of work. Today your country is not proving. You want me to represent my army. So brother, what army did with the Bengalis? What army did when there was attack at Lal Masjid? Where was army when they were killed in Balochistan? They were killing innocent people in Balochistan. Brother, which type of goodness I should tell about army? They have done blunder in the world. So which goodness I must represent them.